I'm taking video right now, bud. Boop. They've been racing and he's tired. Go, 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 Lily, go! Well, in Lily's defense, she does have 3 things with her. She hasn't dropped one yet. Good job. Oh. Thanks, Lily. All right. Click. Click.
Okay.
Click. Click.
Can I see the picture?
I'm taking video, actually.
Can I see it?
I'm taking video. Yes,
Can
hold
we
on.
see it?
Wait, first you have to have a race.
Okay.
All right, you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Hey. Get him, Giselle. Yeah. Go, Lily. Look at that. You still have your 3 toys and you haven't dropped one. Good job. Whoa. Look at that, Austin. Good job. Giselle, that was so nice. Giselle. Giselle, say you're sorry to Austin. That was a half sorry. Good grief. Giselle, what are you giving up for? That's a good way for a kid to be on Friday night. Scooter, get away from him. Everybody all right?
Yes.
All right.